Hi everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make this wallet. This is I'm making for the elder that asking me for something simple but with the zipper. This is very simple and I'm gonna go, it's only two main pieces and then the inside the zipper pocket, and that's it. The interfacing here, I use heavyweight interfacing in size 7 inches by 11 inch and half. The fabric here 7.5 inches by 12 inches long, so it happens in bigger, longer and wider. So I'm just do a little tiny measurement here everyone. So I'm gonna go and do just a 1 inch here and then 1 inch here, and then I'm gonna connect this. It's just that simple. You can you can go with the square on the top or you can round it, up to you. It's just the flap when it flap down. So make sure you fold it in half like this, and then I'm going to cut this piece to iron on this one. The second piece, I have it in here 7 inches by 13 inch and a half. And the fabric I have cut here, this is long, so it is 7.5 inches by 14 inches. So half an inch wider and half an inch longer. The facing, I'm using heavyweight and I'm going to do exactly the same. So 1 inch, and then on this side 1 inch. You can see we have a 1/4 of an inch around iron, and on this one right here you going to iron on this one also. So go and do that, and then when you come back we're going to keep going. Okay, so iron both. So after I iron the interfacing, we're going to cut so we can recognize which one is the flap and which one is the bottom part. Or you can put together like this and then cut. Leave a 1/4 of an inch. So after I cut, and this is the flap, we just need to know. Okay, let's put this on the side and then I will show you how to do the zipper. So with the zipper, I have here 6.5 inches zipper, and I cut it in here. So I cut a little bit over an inch, so like 1 inch and a 1/8, and 2 by 2 inches, and I have cut 2. So we're gonna make a tab, fold the right side in, and then place it in here. I'm gonna sew a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance, sew it here, and when you're done you flap this out this way, and then you sew top stitch on the side. I'm gonna bring back the main side and turn into this way. This is the flap and this is the straight line. That's why when we show you earlier, we need to cut that so we know which one is which. And the zipper, I'm gonna fold it in half and I'm gonna cut the center. Like this. All right, and I'm going to face the center to here. I'm gonna close it so it's easier. So face it down. First I'm gonna clip it. Remember I say that extra, I can cut it after. That's how I am. And here I have the zipper pocket, 7.5 inches by 8 inches long. Right side facing down. you go on to sew this side. So after I sew on this, you're gonna pull out the side. Put it down this way. Press or iron, it's up to you. Go and top stitch on this side. So after I top stitch on this side, go into the back, bring this up, fold it so you can have the pocket. This is a zipper pocket, everyone. Press it. When everything meet up here, press. I'm gonna clip it like this so you see that. Go into the right side. Bring the second back straight line, go into meet here. I'm doing this side because the interfacing, I can follow that and sew. Sew this side. So after I sewed it here, I'm gonna turn into this side. And make sure when you turn into this side, you press it this way. And the pocket go to the left. Iron it and top stitch this side. After I top stitch, I'm gonna put on the side and I'll show you this. This one for the wristband, if you don't want to, you don't have to do this. I'm cutting here at 3 inches by 12. So fold it in half and then like this, the two sides, and then fold it again. You're going to sew the top and the bottom. Alright, so on this, I have the ring here. Check in my description box, everything I use, I share it in there. So I'm gonna fold it like this, sew in this, and then on the top here, you sew it close like a quarter up and ends here. After I sew in this, I'm gonna face this inside where the zipper right here. Can sew it. So after I sew in this here, I'm gonna bring this side to meet with this side over here. One flap it down, meet up very nicely, both sides. So on the bottom here, I would leave about 3 inches open. So you go on to sew from here, anywhere you can start, any side. Go to here, follow the interface and go all the way up to here. And on this side, you can go from here, going up, go follow all the way up. Leave this open so you can inside out. Everyone, after I sew and I left it here open, I'm go and press on the side. You can press all around if you want to, or you can just trim a bit and then you inside out. So after I inside out, make sure you go around here, the four side all around, and press and then iron. Right here, you're gonna pull it out because we already fold before we inside out, so it's really easy. Everyone, after I iron all around, I'm gonna go down like this. This is the angle of this. From this one down here, I'm going to mark 2 inches. And then here 2 inches, 2 inches and 2 inches. Bring this flap over and place it here. I'm gonna iron this down. Now I'm gonna go and sew. I'm gonna sew it from here all the way, and then I do the top stitch here, going all the way down here, go to this side, go all the way down. Everyone, after I sewed it all around, look how beautiful this is. If you want to top stitch this part before you sew it over, flap over, you can top stitch on this side. And so now I'm gonna go and add the button for this. Press the center. I'm using the magnet button, and this is very handy. Check in my description box for this. It's very good one. So 1/2 inch down, mark it right there, and then you go on to sew this side. When you're done, flap it over, mark on this side, and then you sew on this one. And then after you sew on the button, fold it back on, and then here 1/4 up and into the center, still there, you go on to sew this one on. This is the name tag. I'm using this color because it matched one of these color in here. So after you sew this side, you're going to fold it down, press, then you have the mark on this side. This is the one that you can sew the other side of the button. So I finished, everyone. It looks so beautiful. It is easy, super easy. Zipper pocket, you can put money in there and then cap in anything you want. The whole dollar bill, you can straight it in there. Change. You want to put credit card in here, you can too. You throw them both long like this, and then you zip this. And then on the side here, you're going to put the foam in. Snap this. This one right here, if you want to click on your bat, feel free to use the ring. So I'm gonna go and with the hook too. Yeah, you have this, and then you can click on something, and if you don't want to, you can add the ring over here, and then you click everything else on this side. This is the new way to do. 5 inches by 7. So pretty. Look how easy to make this wallet. So easy, everyone. The zipper pocket, that's the plus to have. And then this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I just want to say thank you for all of you that always support my channel, and the channel members. Thank you for your support, your donation, and your comment. I do read your comment all the time. If you want to send me anything about a tutorial or anything you want to share with me, feel free to email me. The email that I share in my description box and also on the pinned comment. Love you, take care, stay safe, everyone. Oh, and also thank you for support my second channel too. We're getting closer now. I need about 1,500. If you want to listen to some relaxing music, go visit my second channel, listen to that music, and also support me. Love you, take care, stay safe, everyone.